So preschool is the prominent industry in India because all the parents are working nowadays, both the parents. So generally they will look out for the place which is safe for the children to enroll till they are coming back from their office or their busy schedule. So in the preschool industry, it's a very blooming industry in India, and you can see in Hyderabad, lot of preschools are there in a single lane. So why we are different, how we are different means coming to the methodology. This school, we will focus only on the sensorial way of teaching to make it precise. If you look out for the children, generally the schools they will make the children to get into the classroom or playway methodology, activity based school, foundation based school. N number of concepts are there. But here, what we will do, we won't allow the children to follow us. We will follow the children.
Okay.
We won't make the children, we will guide. Generally the schools, the role of the schools is they have to guide the children about the discipline and other things. But children nowadays, the children are Gen Z's children are very very smart. We don't have to guide them anything.
Yeah.
They itself will learn everything. They are very natural learners. We are here only to kindle their curiosity.
Okay.
Coming to preschool, this is what the role of the school. But preschool, generally if you see, the children will cry. They
Yeah.
won't like to come to school. So our job here is to kindle their curiosity to come to school every day with a happy face. How we are doing? Like other schools, we will also follow all the concepts. I won't say that something new.
Okay.
What are all the things the parents are teaching? That things we will teach it in an organized way, something in a different way.
Okay.
Instead of focusing only on one methodology like CBSE, Montessori, and Olympiad, Foundation, Waldorf methodology, n number of methodologies are blooming in India. But what is the child requirement? There lies the matter. That being a teacher and being an educator, you have to understand that what is your child requirement. Children are differentiate. We can differentiate the child into 6 different categories. Some will like to listen only the music. Some will love to hear only the video. Some children will love to hear both audio and video.
Yeah.
Some children who are all super active and hyperactive, they will love to learn everything by themselves. Their sitting tolerance will be very, very minimum. So if you see these children, they love to create their own path by themselves. If you ask them to, if to these children, we will ask them to go and sit into the classroom, definitely they won't do, because already the sitting tolerance is very, very minimum. So how we will kindle the curiosity to come to school? There lies your challenge. That is what we are doing here.
Okay.
Mm.
It's really a great concept. I just loved it.